Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amartya Hirarida. You can call me Tia. How are you today? I hope you always fine every day. Okay, today we will deliver our material about solid figure. What is solid figures? Solid figures have three dimensions. They have a height, a width, and a length. Lot of solid figures around us. For example, an example of a cube is a dish. Then, an example of a cuboid is a cupboard. Then, an example of cylinder is a can. And an example of a cone is an ice cream cone. Then, an example of a sphere is basketball. And then, an example of a prism is a canteen. Then, an example of a pyramid is a Giza pyramid at Cairo, Egypt. There are so many solid figures around us. I just mentioned a little here. For other example, you can find yourself. Oh no, I can't explain all the solid figures because I don't have much time. For today, I focus on cuboid only. That's okay. Keep spirit, let's learn about cuboid. Simply put, a cuboid is a box now. Each side of the cuboid is called face. So, how many faces does a cuboid have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, cuboid has 6 faces. Each face of cuboid, as you can see, is a rectangle. And opposite face are equal. So, if you look at any opposite face, they are equal to each other. Each corner or vertex of the cuboid has an angle of 90 degrees. We can measure the surface area and volume of a cuboid. Let's look at surface area first. Surface area is the area that you can feel or touch. So, let's calculate the total surface area of this cuboid. The area of the top is going to be L into W. So, is the area of the base. The sum is 2LW. Now, what is the area of these two white faces? It's going to be W into H. So, the sum is 2WH. And the area of the brown face is going to be L into H. So, that's 2LH. So, total surface area is going to be 2LW plus 2WH plus 2LH. So, that's 2 into LW plus WH plus LH. There's another term called lateral surface area. An easy way to remember that the lateral surface area is the area of the four walls of your room. So, I'm not including the area of the ceiling and of the floor. Now, what will be the lateral surface area of the cuboid here? It's going to be the sum of the area of these white sides and the sum of the area of these two brown sides. So, I'm not including the top and the base here. So, what will be the formula? It's going to be 2LH plus 2WH. So, that's 2H into L plus W. We can also measure the volume of the cuboid. Volume means the space that this box occupies. So, what is the formula of the volume? It's going to be length into width into height. So, the formula is LWH. Now, an interesting question is, what is the longest stick that we can place inside a cuboid or a box? So, let's go ahead and try with this stick. So, as you can see, it doesn't fit along the length here. So, let's try a different way. If I try to place it like this again, it doesn't fit. This is the diagonal of the rectangle here. But now, if I place it like this, so as you can see now, it fits in the box. This is the diagonal of the cuboid. The longest length inside the box from here to this outside vertex here. The formula to calculate the length of the diagonal is square root of the L square plus W square plus H square. So, that is the longest length that can fit inside a cuboid. So, in a diagonal, we join the two opposite vertices of a cuboid. For now, I have question about surface area and volume of cuboid. Let's start. Bella has a swimming pool in front of her house. Its shape is cuboid. Then she wondered how much water in a swimming pool could hold if its length was 5 meters and has 4 meter wide, also height 1 meters. Not only that, she wondered again about her swimming pool surface area. Please help Bella to count it. Let's start. As is known in the questions, Bella's swimming pool is cuboid. The swimming pool has 5 meter length, 4 meter of width, and 1 meter of height. Bella wants to know how much water she can fit into her swimming pool. If we refer to the amount of water, we will automatically use the volume formula, right? In the previous lesson, the cuboid volume is LWH, or L times W times H. We substitute each value of the LWH. So, V is volume equal to L times W times H. So, 5 times 4 times 1. And the result is 20 meters cubic. You know that water always in millimeters or liters. Now we just focus of count liters. Meter cubic to decimeters cubic or liter is 1000, right? So the water in the swimming pool is 20 times 1000. And we got 20,000 liters. How about surface area of her swimming pool? It is right. You just substitute the length, width, and height. So, 2 into LW plus WH plus LH. So, we get 2 into 5 times 4 plus 4 times 1 plus 5 times 1. So, the result is 58 square meters. Thank you for watching my video. Keep spirit to study more and more. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.